Hi everyone, today we are going to see deep copy versus shallow copy. So this is one of the important questions that interviewers like to question. So let's first of all understand what does shallow copy means. So shallow copy means like when it's basically creates a copy but the nested is not at all copied. So it means that if you try to modify the data in the copied array object is going to modify it in the original one. So it basically does the copy but the nested is not copied. So here as you can see we have this original array of object with a name and an age, and then you have created a copy of it of the exact original, and now you try to modify the name in a copy. So what it does is, you can see here it's also going to modify the name in the original one too. So this is shallow copy. So it creates a copy but the nesting is it is not copying. So whatever changes you're going to do in the copy one is going to do that in the original one. So as you can see in here. And second we have is deep copy. So what happens in deep copy, I'll show you. Here it is. Here's the example. So in deep copy even the nesting is copied, like point to point everything is copied properly. Like in shallow one, as you remember that it was not a complete copy, like the nesting was not copied, but here in the deep copy it copies everything like a complete deep clone. So here you can see we have an object here as original, and I'm going to create a clone, exact clone. So here is my function, and here I'm going to pass this original. So I'm going to convert this object to string, and then once I've done that I'm going to create a new object, like a complete new object which I have written, and here it is cloned. Here I have written after converting, means creating a clone, I have written it to this cloned variable. And now when I try to modify the address in the cloned one, as you can see, clone dot address dot ct, and it is changed to Pune. So now if you try to console both the original as well as the clone one, here you can see that the original is not at all modified. The city here is showing Mumbai, but the cloned city it is showing Pune because I have modified it. See, I can show this thing also. Like, see, this is original, and next we have is cloned. And now if I try to run it, see, this one is the original one, and the second one is the clone one. See, whatever modify I've done in the clone, it is not showing or reflecting in this original. So this is one of the important questions that interview going to ask. That is deep copy and shallow copy difference.